Grizzly Bandsaw. This is how it comes in 2 cartons. Looks like it's pretty well protected. And there's warnings not to tip it or bang it around. Instructions came not attached. Not sure where that was originally, but anyway, now the next trick is getting it downstairs. Hear the dog? He's excited too. It's here! Oops, I gotta look at the camera. It's here! My Grizzly 14-inch bandsaw has arrived. It was on back order since Christmas or something. And I got my friend Tony here to help me get it downstairs. My long-awaited toy has finally arrived. This is the Grizzly G0555XH Extreme Series bandsaw, 14-inch, 1.75 horsepower. Comes in this wooden crate, and package number 2 is the stand that it goes on. The combined weight of these, the shipping weight, is 325 pounds. That's why I needed help getting it down into the basement, but now it's home. And this is what I'm replacing. This benchtop free Ryobi. Good riddance, Ryobi. I hate you. So let's get to the unboxing. See, I'm wearing my Grizzly shirt from Yellowstone. Okay, let's see what's in here. These are the 2 boxes that were wrapped up with the saw. Oh yeah, this is the table, cast iron table. Ugh. That's got that packing grease or whatever it is on it, so that's going to need some cleanup. Okay. And then this. Are part of our fence system. This is the Resaw fence. And then some cranks and hardware. And this is also part of the fence system, the indicator line for measurements. The bolts on somewhere. Okay. We'll get to those when that time comes. I've not yet found instructions. This is what came laying on top of the crate. It was not attached with tape or anything. It was just loosely laid on top of the crate. This is a owner's manual for a shaper, and this is obviously not a shaper. This manual is not even for a Grizzly, it's for a shop fox. I'm hoping there's an owner's manual for the saw in the second box, which is the base for the saw, so it doesn't seem likely, although they are cartons 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, so it's possible. I'll open it up next and see. Fingers crossed. But it seems likely that I'm gonna have to go online and find the owner's manual there, which kind of sucks. Okay, let's see what's in here. More boxes. Okay, I have to get this on its side to open up. It's kind of heavy. It opens in the back. Please let there be a manual in here. Oh ho ho! Thank you, Lord. Okay, I was getting concerned there. And this is miter gauge. What else? Bolts and knobs and things. More hardware. More hardware. Okay, good. This is how it arrives in the shipping crate. Everything's pretty much installed except for the table and the fence system. The blade is installed, and I'm assuming tuned to be in the right place, and the exposed blade is protected. I also got this mobile base from Grizzly that was a separate purchase because this is a small shop and everything needs to be on wheels. So I think I'm going to put this together first and then get it on the stand, and then we'll get the saw onto the stand. Sound like a plan?